Hello everyone, welcome back to Rent Own Sell. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for homeowners and landowners alike: understanding property lines. Whether you're planning to build a fence, make improvements to your property, or resolve boundary disputes with neighbors, having a clear understanding of property lines is absolutely crucial. To fully comprehend property lines, it's important to grasp their legal definition and significance. Property lines are the boundaries that separate one property from another, determining the extent of ownership and control over a piece of land. These lines are established through legal processes and documentation, such as property line surveys and deeds. There are two main types of property boundaries: natural and man-made. Natural boundaries include features like rivers, lakes, or mountains, while man-made boundaries are created through physical markers such as fences, walls, or posts. When it comes to locating property lines, thorough research is key. Here are some effective methods. 1. Obtaining the property line survey is a detailed map outlining the precise boundaries of your property. Obtaining a copy from the previous owner or local land records office is an essential first step. 2. Reviewing property deeds and records contain legal descriptions of the property, including boundary information. Analyzing these documents can provide valuable insights and any easements or restrictions. 3. Consulting with a professional surveyor. If the existing survey is outdated or unavailable, consulting a professional surveyor is highly recommended. 4. Utilizing online mapping tools and websites can aid in researching property lines and providing visual representations of property boundaries and neighboring parcels. 5. Buried property pins are valuable indicators to approximate property boundaries. Metal detectors can be used to locate these pins when original markers are no longer visible. When it comes to finding property lines on the ground, several physical methods can be employed. 1. Identifying existing markers and monuments such as metal stakes, concrete monuments, or boundary stones that may have been placed by previous property line surveys. 2. Using a metal detector for buried markers. In cases where markers may be buried, a metal detector can be a handy tool to locate hidden markers or metal objects associated with the property boundaries. 3. Observing neighboring structures, fences, or walls that are aligned with the property lines. These man-made features can be reliable indicators, although deviations may occur. 4. Identifying natural features as boundary indicators like trees, rivers, or rock formations can also provide clues about property boundaries, but additional research may be necessary due to shifts over time. Here are some tips and best practices to consider. 1. Communication with neighbors. Open and respectful communication is crucial to prevent conflicts. 2. Documenting findings and measurements. Take photographs, videos, and measure distances for future reference. 3. Understanding local regulations. Familiarize yourself with local zoning regulations to prevent violations. 4. Maintaining and updating property surveys. Keep surveys updated after making significant changes to your property. 5. Seeking professional assistance. Don't hesitate to seek help from licensed surveyors or legal professionals in complex cases. The cost to survey property lines can vary depending on factors such as the size of the property, complexity of the boundaries, location, and the surveyor's rates. On average, property line surveys can cost anywhere from $350 to $1,100. To find surveyor's pins, follow these steps. 1. Obtain a survey map or plat. Get a copy of the survey map or plat for your property. 2. Use a metal detector. Sweep the area where the pins are expected to be located, following information from the survey map. 3. Look for physical markers. Search for metal rods, pipes, or concrete monuments that indicate the presence of surveyor's pins. 4. Consult with a professional. If you're having difficulty, consult with a licensed land surveyor for accurate location. Remember, exercising caution is crucial to avoid damaging any existing markers or property while searching for surveyor's pins. Hiring a professional surveyor is crucial for accurate and legally recognized property line marking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content.